Hi everyone. Now be honest. Do you write I think in almost every opinion essay? If you want to improve your IELTS writing score, you'll need something else. Something that provides strong, clear language for your opinion. Have a look at our IELTS 2 question for today's lesson. Some people think that governments should invest more money in public transportation than in building new roads. To what extent do you agree or disagree? By the end of this video, you will learn more expressions instead of just I think, using much stronger vocabulary. Let's talk about the core idea. Opinion essays always need a clear position, but clear does not mean basic. I think is just too simple for a higher band score. Instead, we use 3 levels of opinion language. Level 1 is strongly agree or disagree. You are very sure about your side. Here are some useful phrases you can use. I strongly agree that. I firmly believe that. I am completely convinced that. There is no doubt that. Now let's apply it to our task 2 question. A strong opinion sentence could be, I firmly believe that governments should prioritize public transportation over building new roads. Level 2 is partially agree or disagree. You agree or disagree, but not 100%. You can use phrases like, to some extent I agree that. While I accept that, I believe that. Although I agree that, I still think that. Let's apply it to our question. While I accept that some investment in new roads is necessary, I believe that public transportation deserves a much higher share of the budget. Level 3 is neutral or balanced. You show both sides before you give your opinion. You can use, it is argued that. Some people claim that, while others believe that. Followed by, this essay will examine both views and. For our task 2, it would look like this. It is argued that governments should spend more on buses and trains, while others believe that roads are more important. This essay will examine both views and give relevant examples. Those are the essential expressions to strongly agree, partially agree, balance without using I think. See you in the next video where we'll practice using them. I'll also introduce some more advanced tips to gain a higher band when writing IELTS Task 2. See you then. Enjoy what you've learnt so far. Hit the button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful content like this.